Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Have you ever deleted a file by mistake and immediately regretted it? It happens to the best of us. By default, Windows doesn't ask for confirmation when you delete something. The file just disappears straight into the recycle bin. While it's still recoverable, it can be frustrating and sometimes even risky if it's an important document. Let me quickly show you how this works before we change it. I'll delete this file here. Notice how there was no warning or confirmation message. The file is already gone, sitting inside the recycle bin. This is exactly how accidental deletions happen when we're not paying attention. So how do we fix this? How do we make Windows ask us before actually deleting something? The answer is really simple. Let's go straight to the recycle bin on the desktop. Right-click on it, then select Properties. A settings dialog will open. In here, look for the option that says Display Delete Confirmation dialog. Go ahead and check that box. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Perfect. The feature is now enabled. From this point on, Windows will always ask for confirmation before moving any file or folder to the recycle bin. Let's test it out. I'll try deleting this file again. This time, instead of instantly disappearing, we're greeted with a delete confirmation dialog asking if we're sure about sending the file to the recycle bin. I'll go ahead and confirm the deletion. And just like that, the safety net is in place. From now on, whenever you press delete, you'll get that extra moment to double check before anything is removed. It's a small change, but it can prevent a lot of unnecessary stress. And that's it, a quick and effective way to protect your files from accidental deletions. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tech tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.